Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to do a very fun look. It's a look made for the summer, for your day-to-day, but you look very cute. Okay, let's go. First of all, we have to prep our skin. So you have to put on sunscreen and any kind of moisturizer. I am using the Pond's moisturizer, and the sunscreen is going to be in my BB cream. So I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's a silicone-based primer, and I like it very much because it allows me to not sweat throughout the day. Once we have that, we are going to apply a BB cream. I like this one. It's the Jelly Plus BB cream, and it has SPF 30. Once we have that, I am going to apply a little bit of concealer. I am using the Marc Jacobs one. Now I'm going to set my under eyes. I am using the Physicians Formula correcting powder. I like it very much. It's very light and it's talc free. Now you are going to take any brown color eyeshadow you have, a very light one, and you're going to put it in your crease to create dimension. Now you are going to take any white eyeshadow and put it in the inner corner of your eye. Now you are going to create an eyeliner just until the end of your pupils with a brown eyeliner, just like this. Now you are going to take any gold eyeshadow, gold glitter, and you are going to put it here in your inner corner. I am using the Inol Collections liquid eyeshadow. It comes like this. It's like a little lipstick. You see, and I'm going to put it right here. Just a little dot to give a pop of color and a pop of beautifulness. Now I am going to bronze my face. I am using the Revolution one. I love it because it's very big. So in a little brush. And now I am going to apply my blush. I am going to apply it all over here. And now we are going to apply highlighter. I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder. It's like a pinkish champagne color. Lastly, I like to create some faux freckles because I think they look very cute in the summer. So with a brown eyeshadow and a little teeny tiny brush, I'm going to create some. Now I'm going to apply pinkish lipstick. I am using the Essence lipstick, this. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. lastly, I am going to apply mascara. I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And there you have it. It's a very simple look, but you are going to look very cute, and you can play a little bit with the color of the eyeshadow. But this is so basic, so easy, so quick, and you're always gonna look good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!